In the previous tutorial, we went through the process of creating your Touchpoint mobile app survey for the iPhone, the iPad, or the iPod Touch. So in this tutorial, we'll focus on the reporting section. So I've logged into a demo account, and from the main module, we'll go on up above the yellow bar and click on the Reports tab. Now from the Reports screen, we have previously created reports in the center of the screen. And we can use these icons to preview or to edit or delete. But to create new reports, we use the sidebar tools. And we'll start with the Analysis Report section and go to Create Report. And we can sort in a variety of ways. We can sort by users. We can sort by device types or survey types, which will go on down this list to the iPad. And now we can sort through only those iPad surveys, and I'll select Sample iPad Survey. And you'll see we have a default mobile survey location, but you can customize your locations and have multiple locations which enable you to run specific reports or comparison reports. So now I'm going to drop down to the bottom, and I'm going to select from a variety of reports an overview report, the summary report, and click Next. And for those of you who know about the Opinion Meter reporting tool, everything so far looks very similar to our other survey types. But we have recently added a powerful feature, which is utilizing Apple's GPS coordinate within the survey. So in addition to time, date, and duration, we now have location as an additional data point that you can use in analyzing your survey data. So if we go up to the GPS icon with the waypoint symbol and click there, we will get an integration within Google Maps of a variety of waypoints. And if we hover over a waypoint, we find out who actually took that survey, what their details in the address book are, all the way down to the serial number of the device, as well as the details as to where they were when they took the survey response details. Additionally, we can click on the waypoint and drill down to that specific survey within the survey sample. And this is what we call a respondent level report, which is actually, in this case, Morgan Strickland's survey, who says that she's 21 to 35 and female, etc., etc. So that is all new capabilities that we have added, building upon the GPS coordinates that are captured with each survey on an Apple platform. So let's go back to let's just go back to the report parameters that we were working with. And from here, I also want to show you another new feature. And the longitude, latitude, and range, these fields are new that you probably aren't familiar with, and they're optional. So you can actually, if you know the coordinates of, let's say, your location or your store, or you want to search for customers who've taken surveys within a particular range of distance range of your location, you can either put the coordinates in here or select coordinates from Google Maps. So let's say my store is in this vicinity. I can add selected, and it autofills the longitude and latitude. Now I can select from a distance from those coordinates or that waypoint. And let's say I want to only find surveys entered within 10 miles of my store or location. Now I can click Next, and it will filter based on the distance range from that waypoint we selected. So those are two of the new features that we have included in the latest version of the Survey Manager supporting the Apple iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch. Thank you very much, and this ends the tutorial covering the reporting module.